It's that time of the year that you like to do back to school makeup. So as a student, like as a black babe student, let me first off show you what back to school makeup is all about. Stay tuned and keep watching. After cleaning your face, before you do makeup, always clean your face. Clean your face. When you clean your face, you're gonna get like beautiful, gorgeous, smoothie makeup look. So I have used this primer before, and of course it's my duty anytime that I want to use it, I'll still be talking, like explaining it to you guys, because majority of you may come across this video and you like it and you'll be like, what primer did she use? What is the name of the primer? The primer looks good. This is how it looks good, guys. You just give it application. Pardon this place, I just press the pimple there and here. Okay, so I pressed pimple this morning, but anyways, that's not the case. So please pardon if I'm looking up there, because that's where my mirror is. I need to look up to follow in what I'm doing, because looking at the viewfinder is not that great. So at the moment I'll be going ahead with my foundation. Okay, so this is my foundation at the moment until I am able to get another one, but at the moment I just want to face in one foundation. See how beautiful. Look at that, guys. Alright guys, this is how my face ended up being. Okay, it's very demure. So beautiful, so cute, so gorgeous, very demure. I heard a lot of people say that this word demure is gonna cause problem. Like, I am going to put it in the tag of this title. Okay, so back to school makeup for black women, very demure. Or very demure back to school makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead with my concealer. Conceal baby. This is King Doll liquid concealer. Of course, it's a liquid concealer, which is see how brush was able to blend this. Oh, don't forget, we're still in back to school. I almost forget I'm doing back to school makeup. But as my fellow black person, you don't need to apply, like if you're in university, you don't need to apply some. Just I'll show you, I'll surprise you. Okay, nobody will know that you did makeup. So look who we are going to use today. This is my Yves Rocher. Recently ordered this. This is my Yves Rocher, okay, setting powder. My Yves Rocher setting powder. This is what we're going to be using today. I'm so excited. Oops, there's too much of powder in here. I hope this doesn't go ahead to stain my makeup also. But let me just see how it goes. I'm gonna be very, very careful. I think I'm done with this, so that it don't go ahead to stain my face, because that would be ridiculous. Okay, so I also got this here. This is Kiko Milano brand. This is powder for setting up your full face. So I'm going to take it, and this is how is inside. So I'll be using a little bit of it with my brush, so that it will not go to school, will not reach in school and start having oily skin. so that it will make sense. I did a mistake. I should have bring out the brush for setting up full face. I'm tired of doing this, making up I'm tired of bubbling and struggling.
You are a miracle.
Oh, here I
The
am.
one so glorious.
So because I don't have a dry blush, I'm gonna use this, okay? I'll be using this shade here. Did I say blush? Because for my contour, I'll be using this shade for my contour. I'll be applying a little bit.
And to sing praises to your name.
So I'll start blending up.
In the morning.
I won't advise you to apply blush, but if you must do, that should be in a light quantity, not in a big quantity, okay? Blend this one. Remember, this is back to school. It's not your wedding. It's not your Owambe. It's not your Owambe kind of makeup. This is back to school. Can someone please tell me that I am looking good? So the next thing you do is to go in with your eyeliner. You're done. So if you like, you can put eyelashes. No, did I just say eyelashes? You cannot put eyelashes while in school, but you can do it in another way by applying this eyeliner under. Okay. If you're somebody who cannot stay without blush, you can go ahead and apply your blush. Like I said, remember, you apply in a little quantity, and you know that a little quantity, it means you're well disciplined. Okay, so because you cannot change your school to Owambe, you cannot change your school to a heavy party or a club office, that means you should apply in moderate so that your lecturer will say, oh, you are beautiful with no makeup, and he wouldn't know that you applied makeup. Even other students will be like, oh babe, you look good, no makeup. You'll be like, thank you. Okay, so just look at this. I told you guys that when I'm done, you will know that I am actually wearing makeup. Remember, I've not done anything in my brows. I'm just going to brush it up, and I think that's all that I'm going to do in my back to school look. So let's go ahead with blush. So which blush am I going to? I don't like pink blush, but I like, you know, a touch of blondie or burgundy. Okay, I like that, but I don't like pink. Blush is not my thing. Yeah, you apply it here. I'm gonna apply it. So if you can, or if you like, you can as well put the remaining of the blush on your nose. Okay, so it's not a bad thing. All our beauty. We are almost at the final, and that is mascara. Blush up your brows, and be careful. If you made it touch your upper or whichever way, just clean up so that you don't end up staining everywhere. Okay, and of course you can choose what will be your lip. You can choose whether lip gloss alone or you want a lipstick, which we have right here. But I wouldn't like to suggest that you should use lipstick. Like, lipstick will so expose you. Okay, even looking at this, you are already pretty. Imagine applying this. You no longer look like a student. Lip gloss is the babe, or rather red. Red. We're talking about disciplined lady here. Can disciplined lady wear colorful lipsticks to school? That's under probability. It's not a compulsory, and this is a compulsory. Of course, if you're not these guys, you can dress this. Or let me show you guys how to combo your look. You can go with lip gloss like this. But if I should go back to school, this is all I need. I don't need any other thing. This is my choice. But let's go back to your choice and see how your choice will look like, okay? Of all time in my makeup, this Yves Rocher lipstick, this is Yves Rocher matte lipstick, is my favorite. This is in red color. Like guys, this is absolutely my favorite lipstick because the red is reading. Like when I said the red is reading, I mean it's giving me red. It's not giving me like anyhow thing. This is red. So let's go. Can we consider this to be your choice? What do you guys think? This is your choice. Let me know how your choice looks like. Then let's go back to her choice. Not me, her. So in this her choice, she's gonna wear pink, okay? Then you guys will now decide which lipstick is good for back to school, whether lip gloss, red, or pink, okay? So the choice is yours. So let's go. So what do you guys think about her choice? Let's see. But before we continue, let me go and brush my brows, okay? Because this brows is also part of the job. Remember, no need to apply concealer. This is back to school. Dress moderate to young ladies. Young girls always dress responsible. Don't overdo things. If you have a privilege of applying makeup in your school, dress moderate, dress properly. Dress very nice, okay? Because if you dress irresponsible, you'll be questioned. Like, why are you doing it? So not all the time is Owambe. There are days that is Owambe, there are days that is not Owambe. You just play along responsible. Like being in school and dressing Owambe is not healthy. That's barbash. You all, this guy have stained my lip. I don't like it. But I cleaned some. Let me go ahead with my lip gloss. So this is how you should be or should look at school. So you don't need to look like Ojuju Klaba masquerade before you know you will look good. So all those colorful lipstick, for me, this is back to school. I don't know about you. So choose between one of those ones, those three comparisons you say, and let me know what you guys think. And hey, wait! I told you to wait. What do you think I want to do before? To show you another thing? My friend, let's go to school. Let's go to school. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go and write. Let's go and study. Let's go to lecture. Okay? See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.